How do you make him respect you? Let me tell you a secret. It's not about him at all. It's about you. A man cannot give you what you haven't first given yourself. If you do not hold yourself to the highest standard, if you do not respect your time, your energy, your emotions, how can you ever expect anyone else to? You see, the world reflects you back to yourself. If you walk into a room shrinking, apologizing, seeking permission to exist, you will be treated like you don't belong. If you tolerate breadcrumbs, they will only give you breadcrumbs. If you hand out discounts on your worth, don't be surprised when people treat you like a clearance item. But if you walk into a room anchored, composed, and unattached, you become undeniable. Men, people, the world, they gravitate toward energy that is self-contained. That doesn't chase. That doesn't prove itself. That simply is. Because real respect isn't loud. It's quiet power. It's in the way you say less, but your presence says everything. It's in the way you prioritize yourself without having to announce it. The woman who commands respect isn't the one trying to be agreeable. She's the one who knows when to say no, when to pull back, when to choose solitude over shallow company. She doesn't fear being alone. She doesn't seek attention. She doesn't need validation, because her validation is internal, it's silent, but it's strong. He will respect you when you don't need him to. He will respect you when you can walk away with grace, when you choose yourself even when it hurts. When you can sit in the discomfort of detachment without reaching for him like a life raft. Respect comes from boundaries, from standards, from non-negotiables. And here's the hardest part, people test boundaries. They push, they poke, they cross lines. And in those moments, you reveal yourself. Do you collapse to avoid conflict? Do you lower your standards because you're afraid of losing him? Or do you calmly, firmly, and without drama, walk away? Respect is not gained in convenience. It's gained in your ability to honor your standards even when it's inconvenient, even when your emotions scream otherwise. Here's where most lose the game. They confuse attachment with love. They confuse overgiving with loyalty. They stay, hoping their patience will turn into worth. But respect doesn't work that way. He will not respect you because you waited. He will not respect you because you sacrificed yourself for him. He will not respect you because you played cool girl and accepted everything. He will respect you when you place yourself above the need to be chosen. He will respect you when your silence is louder than your explanations. He will respect you when your absence feels heavier than your presence ever did. You are the storm and the calm after it. You are soft when it's safe, but steel when it's necessary. You are forgiving, but never naive. You respect yourself enough to leave, enough to hold your silence, enough to stop over-explaining your worth. Because true respect begins where fear ends. You are not afraid to lose him. You are not afraid to walk into an empty room and sit with yourself. You know that you are the table. And with that mindset, you become a force of nature. They feel it when you walk past them unbothered. They feel it when you reply when you're ready, not when they expect it. They feel it when you don't entertain energy that drains you, when you quietly remove yourself without needing to justify it. You become magnetic. Because respect is attracted to power, and the most powerful women are not the loudest. They are the most grounded. They don't just respect themselves, they revere themselves. So, how do you make him respect you? You stop focusing on making him do anything. You focus on building a life so full, a self so sovereign, that respect is the only option anyone has when standing before you.